How to focus and zoom in and out. Focus is not available in all books. If this option is greyed out, this means that the option cannot be used with your book. You can still complete exercises as normal. With Focus, you can open an exercise in a new window to answer the questions more easily. When you click the Focus icon in the toolbar, exercises which can be expanded will be shown with a dotted blue border around them. Click an exercise to expand it. When an exercise is expanded, you will have access to the marking options at the top of the window. To close an expanded exercise, click the cross in the right corner of the exercise window, or click anywhere outside of the exercise box. Answers you added when the exercise was expanded will be shown on the page. Zoom in. To increase the size of the page on screen, click the Zoom In icon. To zoom out, to decrease the size of the page on screen, click the Zoom Out icon. Double-click or tap on the screen to zoom all the way in or zoom all the way out. You can pinch the screen to zoom in and out on touchscreen devices. Need more help? Click the Help and Support icon at www.oxfordlearnersbookshelf.com or in the app. Or you can send us an email at eltsupport@oup.com.